Have you ever wondered what makes some people rise to the top? Power shapes careers, relationships, and our interactions daily. In his book, The 48 Laws of Power, Robert Greene shares valuable secrets. Today, we'll uncover the first 5 laws that can transform your perspective. Law 1. Never outshine the master. Make superiors feel superior and in control. Appearing too talented triggers envy and resistance. Let others shine while you quietly rise. Law 2. Never put too much trust in friends. Learn to use enemies to your advantage. Friends may betray due to emotions, but enemies are predictable. By reconciling with an enemy, you gain a loyal ally. Law 3. Conceal your intentions. Don't reveal your full plan. Knowing your strategy allows others to block or undermine you. Keep your moves quiet to protect your interests. Law 4. Always say less than necessary. Words can trap you and expose your power. Speaking briefly makes you appear confident and in control. People will often fill the silence with their imagination. Law 5. Guard your reputation with your life. Your reputation is the foundation of your power. Once damaged, it's difficult to rebuild. Protect your reputation and act early against threats. These 5 laws are just the beginning of understanding power. If you're eager to explore all 48 laws, grab a copy. Find the link to The 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene in the description below. Start your journey in mastering influence today.